I was just gifted these dry erase erasers, which will be so helpful for my kids this upcoming school year, and really nice for a classroom, larger group as well, as you get 8 of these, and they all are in their own unique pastel color. So you could write names on them or just remember them by color. And each eraser has that dry eraser kind of fabric-y surface on one side, and then it's a hard plastic on the other. It feels really nice in my hand. It's very lightweight, lovely little dry eraser. Let's put it to the test. Now for this dry erase test, I am using an old dry erase board that my kids have used at school over the years, so it's a bit beat up, but it still works great. Let's color some layers on it. Now let's put this to the test. I'm just going to wipe down the middle. One go. Besides dropping the dry eraser, that was very clean. There's a minor bit of smudging at the bottom. Most of that I can wipe right up, but some of that's where using a actual cleaning fluid comes into play. But for the most part, this is doing exactly what I want. So if I wanted to just remove specific colors, I can. I can even kind of hold it on the edge and do some detailed erasing. Really, really nice. Definitely giving me what I want. And of course, perfect for that full removal. You can see that the color it's having the hardest time with is the blue. And that was probably because the blue was still a little wet. These always work better when the dry erase pen is fully dry. But overall, that was really nice. These are great dry erasers.